Minutes always come after the hours. For example, sono le 5:20, which means it's 5:20. It literally sounds like they are 5:20. In fact, sono means they are. Le means the, used for feminine plural names. Cinque means 5. E means and. 20 means 20. Now please repeat after me. Sono le 5:20. One more time. Sono le 5:20. And to say, for example, 1:10, è l'1:10. È l'1:10. In fact, è means it is. Remember, with 1 o'clock, midday, and midnight, you will always use the singular form. L means the, used for feminine singular names. Una means one. E means and. 10 means 10. This is the basic way to tell the time, which is fully accepted. Other options are, when minutes are 15, you can say sono le 9:15, which means it's 9:15. It literally sounds like they are 9:15. In fact, sono means they are. Le means the, used with feminine plural names. 9 means 9. E means and. Un means a, used with singular masculine names. Quarto means quarter. Now I will say it again slowly. Please repeat after me. Sono le 9:15. Sono le 9:15. Another example, this time with midnight. È 00:15, which means it's 1/4 midnight. Literally, it sounds like it is. Remember, with 1 o'clock, midday, and midnight, you use the singular form of the verb to be. Midnight and 1/4. In fact, è means it is. Mezzanotte means midnight. E means and. Un means a, used with masculine singular names. Quarto means quarter. I will say it slowly. Please repeat after me. È 00:15. È 00:15. When minutes are 30, you can say sono le 3:30, which means it's 3:30. Literally, it sounds like they are 3:30. In fact, sono means they are. Le means the, used with feminine plural names. Tre means 3. E means and. Mezza means half. I will say it slowly. Please repeat after me. Sono le 3:30. Sono le 3:30. Another example. È mezzogiorno e mezza, which means it's midday. Literally, it sounds like it is. Remember, with 1 o'clock, midday, and midnight, you always use the singular form of the verb to be. Midday and a half. In fact, è means it is. Mezzogiorno means midday. E means and. Mezza means a half. I will say it slowly. Please repeat after me. È mezzogiorno e mezza. È mezzogiorno e mezza. A further, more complex way to tell the time is as follows. When minutes are 40 or more, you can say sono le 4:20, which means it's 20 to 4. It literally sounds like they are 4 minus 20. In fact, sono means they are. Le means the, used with feminine plural names. Quattro means 4. Meno means minus. 20 means 20. I will say it slowly now. Please repeat after me. Sono le 4 meno 20. Sono le 4 meno 20. Let's give another example. È l'una meno un quarto, which means it's 1:45. And it literally sounds like it is. Always remember, with 1 o'clock, midday, midnight, you use the singular form of the verb to be. 1 minus a quarter. In fact, è means it is. L means the, used with feminine singular names. Una means 1. Meno means minus. Un means an, used with masculine singular names. Quarto means quarter. And now you are ready. You'll be always puntuale, punctual, and never ever in ritardo, or late. Hurry up!